Alright, wiring's complete. Got the fuel pump wiring all fixed up. It was pretty easy. There's just a little bit of melting going on with the ground wire. Still haven't figured out what exactly caused it. Wiring seems to be good, but we'll go ahead and take a look at the trunk. And you see I've got new wiring all done. Run up over to here is kind of where the problem stops, so I don't know, it's kind of weird. So go ahead and take the car for a drive. I already fired it up. It's looking good. Right here I've got this really fun, janky looking external recorder set up. I got my phone set up. I went ahead and downloaded this app. Appears to be working fairly decent, I think. Let's get it fired up. So here you can see you just simply record, and then I've got a Rode VideoMic Pro that I've had for quite a while when I tried doing more video stuff. So we'll see how this works out. Maybe it'll sound sweet. Let's do this. Alright, so we're in the car. We're going to go ahead and get this baby fired up, take it for a spin, and do a sound test.